music. Music is very interesting. It appeals to the senses in every sense of the word. It takes your soul, captivates your mind, engages your body, makes you feel all happy and fulfilled and surrounded. It makes you feel emotional, whether it is lonely or happy or joyous or angry or driven. It just takes you somewhere. And I think that's why they say music is the key to the soul. Like music, I think, in my opinion, and this is truly my opinion, conversation is another key to the soul. Melodic conversation is music. I think conversation is actually the key of that statement. And I have a sentence I came up with that summarizes the way I look at life. I think you are the conversations you have daily with yourself. What are your conversations with yourself every day?